Here's how to turn off Face ID on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into your settings. You might find that the Face ID is turned on to unlock your iPhone and to open up banking apps, all of that stuff. We can completely disable it, or we can just turn it off for, say, unlocking your iPhone. To be able to do that, we need to get to your Face ID section. So tap on Face ID and passcode. You will need to enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your phone. After you've done that, I'll walk you through some options. One is, it says use Face ID for iPhone unlock. I can just turn this off, and essentially if I lock my phone and go to unlock it, I'll just need to enter in that PIN code instead of using my Face ID. You can also just go here and choose whether to use your Face ID for any of these apps, iTunes, payments, a password autofill, etc. However, let's say you wanted to completely disable and turn off that Face ID. The first thing we need to do is make sure stolen device protection is not enabled. So let's scroll down to the bottom and go to, where is it? Stolen device protection. If this is turned on, we need to make sure to turn this off, or else it won't allow you to reset or to turn off that Face ID. So if that's on, turn it off. Keep in mind, you might need to wait an hour to be able to do this, depending on if you're at home or away. Basically, it decides whether it's in a safe place to allow you to turn it off now or not. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll up and hit Reset Face ID. Just like that, you will see that there's no Face ID, and it says use Face ID for, and all of these are unchecked. Now you'll be able to use that PIN code to do everything. If you ever wanted to down the road set up a Face ID, you can just tap on Set up Face ID and go through the process of setting up a new Face ID if you wanted to.